Alright, we're gonna go for that center target. Are the defenders. They got the few discs and then the pellets. Let's see what these look like. That first one, you gotta help move it over, which is very much a pain in the ass. Alright, let's go for the right sticker. Oh gosh. Last one. One more. There's that right side. 5 shots, blew a pretty decent hole through there. As you can see, the small shot all over there, but blew a hole right through her. We got 5 more of those defenders loaded up here. Damage it does. There it is. I can see the mountains. I can't see because of the glare, but anyhow, I had this camera rolling, so we'll see what kind of footage we got. Anyhow, I gotta get some more, I want to get some more unique 410 shells and come back out here and have some fun. Alright, we got 7 more shots of this Federal bird shot. It's like a number 7. Let's just see how quick we can tear up this little paper target. And of course, I gotta help the first shell. Alright, here we go. Ah! Oh! I extracted a good one. Just can't help but not do that. Alright. So hopefully we got it on the camera here on what little damage it did, but that was a brand new piece of paper target there, and I mean, you hit her enough times, it just turns to dust. Anyhow, I wanted to pop off a few more shots. Got a new camera, phone camera. Got a new phone. Wanted to test the camera. So, that's kind of what I'm doing. Down here at the beautiful shotgun range of Soda. Until next time, well, see ya.